Hi, it's me again with CorelDraw Tips and Tricks. Somebody asked me how to do something like this. They sent me a really crude picture and I've already showed them or sent this to them, but I thought I'd make a video. This is really pretty easy. Let's draw a straight line holding down the control button. Let's hit the plus key on the keyboard and move the copy down. But let's take the shape tool on this one and select the nodes and right click and turn it into a curve. Now we're going to turn this one green. I'm selecting the item and I'm going to right click green. And on this one, I'm going to right click blue. And then I'm going to go to effects and blend. And I'm going to blend 250 times. Okay, we get that blend and you can see it's really made up of a bunch of lines. But now that we have this one item as a curve, we can take and add nodes by either clicking here or just double clicking. And then we could bring them all up and then swoop and go past the item. I'm going to add another node and add another node in between those nodes. And then we could actually bring all these nodes kind of up and you're going to get that twisted looking pattern, still with a straight line though, because we made the one node a straight line, or one line a straight line, the other line a curved line. And you could still play with it, click on it and tweak it and do whatever you want to with it and make it your own. Pretty cool. Hope that helped them a little bit. Thank you for watching.